Hey beauties, today I'm so excited. I know I say that in every video, but I got a huge Ulta hair haul in and I wanted to share what I bought. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Deanndra. I post lots of fashion and beauty content. If that's something you think you would enjoy, hit that subscribe button and let's get into this Ulta hair haul. I've tried some of these things. Some of these things I haven't tried. So let's talk about what I have. The first thing that I put in my hair was this Marc Anthony True Professional Grow Long Super Fast Leave-In Conditioner. It says it nourishes plus detangles, reduces breakage, frizz, and split in with caffeine and ginseng. I've used this one time and I already know that I'm going to love it. I recently just bleached it and it's been very dry. My hair, it's thick, it's dry, it tangles mostly right up in here. This prevented that and I'm so grateful. So I know I'm gonna be obsessed with this. I know I've only used it one time, but it's a very promising that I'm going to love this. So the next thing that I put in my hair is this Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. It says it has argan oil, sunflower seed oil, 10 benefits with 1 miracle formula. I've tried something similar to this, the One United spray. I really love that one, but this one is very promising too. As soon as I sprayed it in my hair, it had that shine to it, which is something that you want in a 10-in-1 spray. This is supposed to also be a heat protectant, which is the main reason that I bought it, because I don't think I bought another heat protectant. Very promising. It left my hair really shiny. That's mostly what I look for in a shine like heat protectant spray. So the next product is a dry shampoo, but the main reason that I bought it is because it's not in a spray form. It's actually a powder dry shampoo. Honestly, it just reminded me of the days that we all just use baby powder as dry shampoo. I might be showing my age with that statement, but back in the day there wasn't dry shampoo, so what I used was baby powder, and I felt nostalgic and I had to try it because, I mean, it's kind of good. I'm not gonna lie. This one says that it is a rosemary and cocoa and it's for brunette to dark hair, which my roots are darker. It's 100% vegan, paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petrolatum. I said that wrong, but it doesn't have any of that in there. Formaldehyde free and cruelty free, so I wanted to try it. And so far so good. I did have to kind of rub it through my hair and like brush my hair through so that I didn't have any powder particles in my roots. But I think this is gonna be something that I can sleep in if my hair is feeling really oily. I do like to sleep in dry shampoo sometimes. Thing that I also have used is this Joyco hair shake. This is a liquid to powder texturizing finisher. I think I really like this. If I shake it, you can hear that it's a liquid, but my hair does feel kind of powdery. It's not too texturizing to where my hair feels like it's gonna get tangled or anything like that, but it did give it like a little oomph, I think. Next up, I did pick up 2 products that are specifically for blonde hair. Even though my hair isn't blonde, it is highlighted. So I wanted to try these out to see if it would work on like warm, brownish, blondish highlights. So the first one is this Blonde Life Brightening Mask by Joyco as well. There you go, that's better. I haven't tried this, but it is wash day, so I think I might do that tonight. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I will probably update you guys there first. So if you're curious about any of that, follow me on Instagram. If you have bleached hair, you know that masking is so important to keeping your hair healthy. This one is the Schwarzkopf Professional Blonde Me Shine Elixir. So I actually did use the Blonde Me highlights on my hair. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description box below on how I did my highlights that I have now. But I really liked that brand, and it says that this is for all blondes. It says the Shine Elixir provides illuminating blonde shine and luminosity. apply onto dry or towel dried hair. I think what I'm gonna do the next time I style my hair is spray this on first to see if it makes my hair even shinier. On that note, I do have something that I'm really excited to spray in my hair right now. It is this Eva NYC Seeing Stars Holographic Gold Spray. It says it's reflective, glittery, cosmic shine for all hair shades. Let's spray this. I love anything that's glittery, gold, shiny. It all speaks to me. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, please. They do also have it in like a rose gold color too. I just went with the gold one. Oh, it smells like a normal Eva NYC product. It doesn't have any like different kind of perfume in it. Do we see any glitter? I don't know if I can see any glitter. I see glitter in the air. Oh, I do see glitter, okay. You know what this kind of reminds me of? If you're a Housewives watcher, it reminds me of Adrienne from Real Housewives of Beverly Hills many seasons ago when she used to have those like glitter strands through her hair. Even though I'm not, oh, I am seeing it. Look at that, how fun. Let's talk about the purple shampoo that I picked up. This is Art Natural Luxe Purple Shampoo, color treated blonde and silver hair. Ooh, that's really purple. That's the conditioner. It smells good. It doesn't smell like too perfumey. Can't see it from in here, but it is actually pretty purple. It smells good. It smells the same as the conditioner, honestly. If you watched my weekly hair routine video, I was using the Pantene shampoo. I didn't like it. It dried out my hair. I did also get a Eva NYC Detox Exfoliating Salt Shampoo. You guys, if y'all haven't tried a exfoliating shampoo, you need to try one because exfoliating your scalp feels amazing. So I did pick this one up. This one says that it is powered by sea salt plus pomegranate enzymes, and it's 100% vegan, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates. I'm probably saying that wrong too, but it doesn't have any of that in there either. It does smell like a typical Eva NYC scent. Oh, I just got that on my lips. Perfect. So I also got a co-wash. Basically, this is a wash that has everything that you need. So it's gonna clean your hair, but it's also going to condition. And then this one says it also detangles, which is why I bought it, because again, my hair gets really tangled, especially up in here. And since it's so damaged, I try not to brush it too much, but then my tangles get crazy out of control. So when I saw this, I knew I needed to try everything that could prevent tangles in my hair. What am I gonna do first? I know I need to try the purple shampoo, but I kinda wanna try this co-wash, but I also wanna scrub my head. So I did also get a dry shampoo. This is the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Bodybuilding Dry Shampoo. I love big hair. It's my favorite. Anything that's going to give me volume, texture, and plumping, I'm sold. So that's the one that I went with for the Not Your Mother's. I know they do have several different types of dry shampoo. Also, I am trying to find a dry shampoo that is as good as the Living Proof one, because I love that one. Like, it's kind of expensive. So on the hunt for a drugstore shampoo that I like just as much as the Living Proof. We're still on the hunt. It says that it is an orange mango fragrance. Yum. So when I saw that Got2b was on sale, I wanted to try one of their hairsprays. It's a Flex Hold hairspray for touchable control, fast drying, lightweight formula. It helps protect hair from drying out, no residue and no stickiness. I do really like Got2b hair products. They're so good. So yeah, I had to try this hairspray. I did also get a blow dry spray. So a blow dry spray is supposed to help your hair dry faster as you blow dry it. I do love to use my round brush blow dryer. If you wanted to tutorial for that. I do have one. I will link it down below as well. Advanced drying technology, free of sulfates and parabens. It's a blow drying accelerator plus a heat protector. Oh, look, it kind of has like an oil water, like where it's not mixing, if you guys can see that. Very interested to try this out. Shake to activate this lightweight multi-benefit formula. It speeds up the drying process and detangles hair for smooth, static-free results. Features hydrolyzed keratin to help reduce frizz, block humidity, and protect against heat damage. Shake well, spray on clean, damp hair and air, or blow dry. Oh, so I guess it does speed up the dry time of air drying your hair, which I do air dry my hair most of the time, but when I don't want to add heat throughout the week, I just blow dry so I have smooth, straight hair. Another Eva NYC product. This is the Satin Dream Leave-In Cream. It says it detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair types. This lightweight leave-in conditioner saturates locks with satiny moisture, leaving them soft, frizz-free, and hydrated. Argan and avocado oils feed hair with vitamins and nutrients, while Caravis Protein Complex delivers optimal anti-breakage effects. Yes, you got me there, I'm sold. Apply a small amount to palm and massage through damp hair. If you go long periods of time without washing your hair, you're probably already adding dry shampoo to the top, but if you think about it, your ends still need conditioner too. So I like to dry shampoo the top and condition my ends in between washing. Let me smell this real quick, because most of the Eva NYC stuff, it has the same scent, which is like a light powdery, fresh but clean scent. That's what I think of. That's the end of this haul. I'm so excited to start trying out these products. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will leave more videos right over here for you to binge watch, as well as my subscribe button. Subscribe so you don't miss updates on this haul. Also follow me on Instagram so you don't miss updates on this haul. All my shameless plugs are out of the way. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.